Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to this video. It's going to be a nice quick one. Today we're working on the Chrysler. We're having some trunk issues, so as you can see, as I hit this button on the trunk, it's not activating, and you can actually tell that the trunk latch mechanism on the inside isn't making any noise. So we're going to go ahead and replace that in today's video. So here's the new trunk latch, and this is what it looks like. So the wiring component right here, the electronic component, is what's broken on this thing. So we're going to go ahead and take off this liner, and in order to do that, you're going to have to remove some of the grommets around the edging, and then there's going to be a torque screw on a handle piece. And once you get all these grommets and the torque screw component off, you'll be able to remove the liner and peel it back. And this is what it looks like when it is finally peeled back. You actually don't need to take all the grommets off. It's literally just the torque screw box and some of the grommets near the edge. And then there is two 10mm bolts on each side of the trunk latch. And then you're just going to go ahead and disconnect those, and then disconnect the wiring harness. And then you can go ahead and install the new trunk latch and just redo everything that you undid. Super simple. Just to test this out, we're going to go ahead, hit the trunk button, and you can hear it make some noise. And so we know it works. We're going to go ahead, close the trunk, and then press the button. And just like that, we fixed the issue within 15 minutes.